Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of running out of storage space on our devices. Whether it's your computer, phone, or tablet, the struggle of managing storage space is real. When you're constantly getting that dreaded storage, almost full message, it could be frustrating trying to figure out what to delete or how to free up space. But fear not, we've got a solution for you. Let's talk about the solution. One great way to free up storage space on your device is by using the built-in storage management tools. These tools can help you identify which apps or files are taking up the most space, allowing you to easily delete or offload them. By regularly using these tools to declutter your device, you can ensure that you always have enough storage for the things that matter most. It's a simple solution, but it can make a big difference in keeping your device running smoothly. In addition to using storage management tools, another effective solution is to make use of cloud storage services. By storing your files, photos, and videos in the cloud, you can free up valuable space on your device without having to delete anything. Plus, cloud storage allows you to access your files from anywhere, making it a convenient and versatile solution for managing your digital content. So, give cloud storage a try and say goodbye to storage woes. In summary, running out of storage space on your devices can be a real headache, but with the right solutions, you can easily manage and free up space to keep your devices running smoothly. Whether you're using storage management tools or embracing cloud storage, there are options available to help you stay organized and clutter-free. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your storage saving tips.